Welcome explorers to our first video on Git tutorial for explorers. In this video I am going to show you how you can actually sign up or register for your GitHub account on the internet and how you can actually learn about the basic things, or I am basically going to explain what are the basic things which you can come across after signing in to a GitHub account. So let's start. So first of all, go to Google and search for www.github.com. And after that you will have to basically sign up for GitHub. So for that basically you have to click on sign up and create the username. Basically the username will be actually the determining factor, or it will basically be used for identifying your account on GitHub. So enter the required credentials such as email address, password, etc. according to your preference. And after entering your username, email address as well as password, you will have to verify your account. For verifying, click on verify and do the cringy stuff, and after that click on create account. And basically this will take some time, and after that you have successfully signed up for your GitHub account. This will basically be your official GitHub account. So no need to save your password because you already know that. And after that it will basically want to ask whether you are a software engineer, you student, or a project manager, or you have to basically give some details about you on the GitHub website. And now that you have actually given the important details about yourself on the GitHub website, you can actually click on the complete setup for completing the whole procedure. So basically this will again ask you to verify your email address or to change the email settings. You can do that, or any other modification or changes you can actually do that here only. And if you want to get the recent verification email, then you can click here. And now let me explain the basic features which we have on the GitHub interface. So let's go there. And after logging out, sign in to your GitHub account. Enter the username as well as your password and then click on sign in. Now after signing in, you will basically see this type of interface. Now let me show you what you can actually do first. So first of all, you will basically click on your repositories on your icon on the top right hand corner, and after that basically the first thing which you can actually do is that to create a repository. So to create a repository, click on this new button and then write the name of any repository. Basically I am going to name it as test, and then write the description. It is optional if you want. So basically we have then two options. First one is public and the next one is private. So basically anyone on the internet can use this repository. So basically public is not a paid feature. Basically if you want to go for the paid feature and do some professional work, then you can choose the private. And basically if you choose private, then you have to go for the paid version, and basically by this you choose who can see and commit to this repository. So no need to go for that. Basically we are here to learn only. And so then create a repository. And after that, as you can see, we had created our repository, first repository on GitHub. And after that basically what you can do is that, so after that basically you can get started by creating a new file. For that click here, and this will basically give you one option. So you can name your file. Actually your file can be of any type, any programming language type like .java, .c, .cpp, .python and all that, .txt also. So let me show you an example. Basically let me create a txt file or text file. So let me write something. So after writing something, let me explain you what you can do. After that, you can commit your file. For doing that, commit basically means to save your file, or it has some other meaning. I will explain all the details later. So basically you can add some codes to basically bookmark your progress made on this GitHub website or repository or file which is present on this repository. So after that basically you can click on commit new file. So as you can see, we had performed our first commit. Next important thing is that you can actually work on big projects by clicking on this option, and you can also do pull requests. The basic terminologies I already explained to you in the previous video on Git and GitHub. You can check that out, and you can also see all the other important features here. And for now, let me show you what you can actually do. And now if I want to edit my file, then I can click on this and write something else. And then I can also do one extra commit. And click on commit changes. As you can see, we had done 2 commits so far. So now other features which you can actually explore is you can play with the pull requests, and also we have basically this thing which you can see here is the master branch. Basically, first of all, whenever we are creating one project, the first thing which we land up on is the master branch. After basically this is a version control system, and basically we try to implement the things or the special features which we want to implement on the main branch. So you can actually do branching and create sub branches for working specifically on some extra features, and if you are actually in the latter point of time interested to merge those features with your main master branch, then you can do so if you are quite satisfied with those features. And by that you can actually do addition as well as subtraction and of features, and so that's how all your project will actually progress. And we also have the pull request option here. You can also see the security status and all those things, and you can also fork from other websites or other source codes from the profiles or GitHub profiles of other GitHub users. So all these features I'm going to discuss one by one in my later videos. So that's all from this video. I hope you enjoyed it. So let's meet in the next session of GitHub. So until then, keep exploring.